What if just hanging from a bar for 10 minutes a day could fix your posture, reduce back pain, and make you feel lighter, stronger, and more relaxed? It sounds too simple, but hanging is one of the most natural movements the human body was designed to do, and modern life has almost erased it. Hanging is not about strength alone. It is about decompression. Everyday gravity compresses the spine while sitting, standing, and walking. Long hours at desks, phones, and screens push the body forward and shorten muscles. When you hang, your body finally gets a break. The spine stretches naturally, creating space between the vertebrae. This spinal decompression is one of the most powerful benefits of hanging. Pressure on the discs reduces and blood flow improves. Many people feel instant relief in the lower back and neck after just a few seconds. Over time, regular hanging can improve spinal health and mobility. Hanging also improves posture. Weak grip, weak shoulders, and a tight upper back pull the body into a rounded position. Hanging activates the shoulders, lats, arms, and upper back muscles that keep the body upright. With consistency, shoulders begin to open, the chest lifts, and posture naturally improves. 10 minutes of hanging strengthens the grip significantly. Grip strength is often overlooked, but it is a strong indicator of overall health. Strong grip improves performance in lifting, sports, and daily activities like carrying bags, opening jars, and holding objects. Hanging trains the hands and forearms in a natural and effective way. Hanging also builds shoulder stability. Supporting body weight while hanging strengthens the muscles around the shoulder joint. This increases shoulder control, reduces injury risk, and improves mobility. Strong shoulders help with push-ups, pull-ups, and all upper body movements. Another major benefit of hanging is improved shoulder mobility. Modern lifestyles restrict overhead movement. Hanging restores natural shoulder range of motion by gently stretching the joints and surrounding muscles. This improves flexibility and reduces stiffness. Hanging helps relieve neck tension. Many people carry stress in the neck and upper shoulders. Hanging allows the neck muscles to relax while the arms support the body. This release reduces tightness, headaches, and stress-related discomfort. Hanging also activates the core. To stay stable while hanging, the body engages the abdominal muscles and deep stabilizers. This builds core strength without movement or strain. A strong core supports the spine and improves balance. 10 minutes of hanging can support fat loss indirectly. While hanging itself is not high-calorie burning, it increases muscle activation and improves posture and movement efficiency. Better movement leads to better workouts and higher overall calorie burn throughout the day. Hanging improves circulation. Stretching the body encourages blood flow to the upper body, shoulders, and spine. Improved circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to tissues and helps recovery. Mental benefits of hanging are often overlooked. Hanging requires letting go and trusting the body. This creates a calming effect. The nervous system relaxes, breathing slows, and mental tension reduces. Hanging can feel meditative. Hanging improves breathing mechanics. When the chest opens and the spine lengthens, the lungs can expand more fully. This improves oxygen intake and breathing efficiency. 10 minutes of hanging does not need to be continuous. It can be broken into short sets throughout the day. This makes it accessible even for beginners. Consistency matters more than duration. Hanging helps counteract the damage caused by sitting. Sitting shortens hip flexors, weakens the core, and compresses the spine. Hanging reverses many of these effects by restoring length and alignment. Hanging improves body awareness. Feeling the weight of the body supported by the hands teaches alignment and control. This awareness transfers into better movement patterns. For athletes, hanging improves performance. Strong grip, shoulders, and spinal alignment support better lifts, faster runs, and improved coordination. Hanging supports long-term joint health. Gentle traction reduces joint compression and improves lubrication. This helps maintain healthy shoulders, elbows, and spine. Hanging builds resilience. Holding your body weight requires mental and physical endurance. Over time, confidence increases as strength improves. 10 minutes of hanging each day creates a habit of recovery. Instead of always pushing harder, hanging teaches the value of restoration and balance. Hanging can improve sleep quality. Reduced tension, improved breathing, and relaxed muscles help the body enter deeper rest at night. This exercise requires minimal equipment. A pull-up bar, tree branch, or sturdy frame is enough. No gym, no machines, no excuses. Hanging is scalable. Beginners can keep feet on the ground or use bands. Advanced individuals can hang fully or add movement. Everyone can benefit. Over weeks, hanging makes the body feel lighter, looser, and more aligned. Pain reduces, mobility improves, and movement feels smoother. Hanging reconnects the body to natural movement. Humans evolved climbing and hanging. Returning to this movement restores balance, strength, and health. 10 minutes a day is not about intensity. It is about consistency. Small daily actions create powerful long-term results. Hanging teaches patience. Progress comes gradually, but the benefits accumulate quietly. A healthier spine, stronger grip, relaxed shoulders, and calmer mind, all from hanging. 10 minutes every day, just hang. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And subscribe this channel, also like this video. And text in comment box regarding which exercise you want to see next video.